I want to thank the People's Democratic Party for their support, for their love, and for working with me these past 2 years in the affairs of running the state of Akwa Ibom across party line. But this is a defining moment. I've therefore decided, after due consultation with all of the critical stakeholders across the length and breadth of this state in the last 3 months, I did that because of the respect I have for all of you as stakeholders in Project Akwa Ibom. That as the children of Issachar, we must be able to interpret the times and flow with the times and not run against the tide. Having completed the rounds of my consultation as your servant that you have elected to serve you, I have therefore decided to progressively move to the All Progressive Congress. Standing before you today, I make bold to state categorically that I have, by today's event, changed my political affiliation. But I will continue to uphold my values, my moral fiber, my foundational principles that I have nourished and cherished all through my life. Those values will remain unchanged, and I will always work with you regardless of party affiliations. And I'd like to say that coming from the PDP, I want to make it emphatically clear that we are not joining the APC from a position of weakness. We are joining the APC from a position of strength. We are bringing value to the All Progressive Congress in Akwa Ibom State. We are wanting to build back a party that has once been torn apart, where people go their different direction. We have come to the APC with a ministry of reconciliation, to reconcile all fronts and to work with you. We are joining the APC today because of our critical admiration and respect for the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed TINUBU GCFR, and to provide the needed support for the Senate President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria from the home base. We are joining the APC for an enlightened state interest predicated on the need to align our state with the center to attract more federal presence.
Rally will be. In that rally, the leadership of the federal government produced by APC will be present. The leadership of our great party will be present. And the progressive governors will also be present. But on behalf of the governors produced by APC, speaking for the party, we have formally given this mantle of this table, the group, we are the newest member with all the rights and privileges concerning ground as a government produced by APC to God be the glory. Thank you.
That is the official reception of His Excellency into the Progressive Governors Forum and all his brother governors. Congratulations to all of them. Please let me put on to you the members of the State Executive Council are next to come forward to also declare their solidarity and of course also declare their movement to the All Progressives Congress.
In Athens, in ancient Greece, who said an unexamined life is not worth living. Your Excellency, that shows deep reflection, deep self-introspection. Your Excellency, you have consulted widely without long, consulted with all
local government chairmen coming around to